Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Jotform to Claude. Start by clicking your user profile menu at the bottom left of the screen. Click Settings from the menu to open your account settings dialog. The settings panel opens with a sidebar on the left, showing all the configuration options available. In the settings sidebar, click Connectors. Click the Add button at the top right, then click Browse Connectors from the drop-down that appears. This opens the connector directory, where you can search through all available integrations. A directory dialog opens with a search bar and a list of connector options below it. Click into the search bar at the top of the dialog. Type Jotform to filter the results. The list updates to show only matching connectors. Click the Jotform result to open its details page. The page shows the connector description and connection options. Click the Connect button to begin the authorization process, and a grant access modal appears. Click the Relaunch the tab link, which redirects your browser to the Jotform login page. Click into the email address or username field and enter your Jotform credentials. Make sure you use the email associated with your Jotform account. Click into the password field and enter your password. Click the Login button to authorize the connection and grant access to your forms. Once connected, Claude can list all your forms and read their submissions directly in a conversation. If the authorization fails, check that pop-ups aren't blocked in your browser and try the connection again. You can disconnect Jotform at any time by going back to the Connectors page in Settings and removing it from your connected services. And that's how to connect Jotform to Claude. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.